What's your 20?
We are on Kelly to 540 in 1 second. I'm stepping there. He's coming up on you.
Coming up on you. Get that motorcycle up there, guys. 50, 50. 50, we're good. Hey.
Alright, he just hit me. Turn over. Turn over. Come here. Get us to 63.
I got nothing on me, man.
I'll probably need a 1011 for my car.
Alright, hold on.
I ain't got nothing on me, bro.
What you running for, Hoss?
I wasn't running. I didn't know what was going on, man.
Where you hurt at, man?
Pretty hurt.
Oh,
Just stay still. Stay still.
pretty hurt, man.
Stay still, buddy. Stay still. Where's your ID at?
It's in the wall.
1016 and 1019.
Alright, got an ambulance coming.
Do what?
There's an ambulance coming to check you out. Okay?
What's your name, Hoss?
Dustin Nunley.
Nunley?
Yeah, Frank Nunley is my dad, White's tow truck driver. You know him? Man, I wasn't running.
You're splitting traffic. You're driving like
I
not
wasn't
smart.
running from y'all.
Brother.
Am I okay? Am I gonna be alright?
We got you.
I ain't gonna be dead or nothing?
No, we got you. You're alert. You're talking. We're right here with you. What's your date of birth?
1103.
Age 27, Portsmouth.
Save me.
Will you run a name, date of birth?
Oh, I'm broke.
Yeah, I got you, brother. I got you. You're gonna be all right. Okay, we're gonna get you some help.
Go ahead.
I have seizures.
Last name is Nunley. It's Nora Union Nora Lincoln Edward Young. First of Dustin David Union Sam Tom Ida Nora. 2003 1105 1105 2003. White male. We got you, brother. Stay still, okay?
Am I gonna be alright?
You're gonna be okay. We're gonna get you some help, okay?
What am I being charged with?
You're gonna be charged with fleeing. I know that. Because there's no way you didn't know. And then there's reckless driving, of
Is my
course.
teeth still there?
Yep, your teeth are still there. Your teeth are still there.
I'm on felony probation, man. I just got out of jail today.
Were you just at the Circle K on 253 not too long ago?
Where's that?
Out by the casino?
No, sir. I just came from Alma.
Okay.
I live in Alma.
Yeah, I know your daddy.
My dad's Frank Nunley.
I know your daddy.
Oh, man. When's the ambulance gonna get here?
It's coming, buddy. I'm gonna stay right here with you, okay? Dustin, look at me.
Dusty.
Dusty. Hey, Portsmouth, he's saying Dusty.
D-U-S-T-I-E.
D-U-S-T-I-E.
N-U-N-L-E-Y.
10-4, I'm familiar.
Some bike total.
Oh, yeah. You hit the back of the trooper car, bro. Well, actually, the front end.
Yeah, he hit me.
He didn't hit you. You hit him. I was right behind. I saw everything, okay? We're not going to let this happen. You know what I'm saying? Okay? So, there's a reason why you see like 12 troopers around here right now.
What's going on around here? Just patrol?
No, I mean, this place is so light on crime that we're all here, okay? So running from the police ain't working. It ain't going to work, okay?
My wife's gone, man.
Do what?
My wife's going away.
Don't lift your foot. Leave it alone. We're going to get you some help.
Portsmouth H27.
Can you breathe okay?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
No, please let my dad know.
27, Dusty Brian Nunley. He's going to have an ID card on the infield committee's vicinity as an entry.
I'll leave it alone.
It's going to be
Feels
more
like
of
it's feeling better on my head. This side of my body hurts.
Okay, that's the driver. If we got a 1011 starting on the back.
Prefer Watts towing. I request Watts towing.
10-4
Where's Sebastian? I can do that. Do you have any weapons or anything?
No, sir, I don't have nothing on
Do you have
me.
any narcotics?
No, sir, I'm not on anything at all.
You haven't smoked anything or nothing like that? No drinking?
Smoked weed about 7 hours ago.
Haven't drank any alcohol?
I drank a little bit of a beer about 3 o'clock.
You're gonna be fine, brother.
I don't have nothing in my system but marijuana.
You're gonna be
I
fine.
don't have my card, so.
Got a medical card?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you know where your wallet is?
My wallet out in my back pocket. It's tossed around.
But Dustin, I'm gonna tell you something. There ain't no way you didn't know. So we're gaining on you.
Well, I didn't see no blue lights behind me. I really didn't see no blue lights behind me because of my helmet. I had the
Sir,
shield
just
on.
be advised, he does have a search warrant on active supervision to a
Alright,
Felix
here's
Jackson.
EMS. Okay.
Man, don't charge me felony fleeing.
Brother, that's felony fleeing. That's what that is. And you're out here driving like you know you shouldn't be driving.
Otherwise.
That don't matter. All you gotta do is stop.
I'm just straight up telling you. I'm not trying to bullshit you.
I know. So he hit the front end of Rome's car at about probably 100. He's got abrasions up here, probably up here. I hadn't looked at his feet yet, but I'm gonna guess something's broken. We haven't touched him or nothing.
Hey, easy on my calf.
Bud, I'm gonna have to cut your boots then.
Do whatever you gotta do. Am I gonna be alright? I don't wanna die, guys. Am I
Brother,
gonna die?
you are responsive, you're talking, everything. They're gonna take you to the best place possible to get you some help, okay?
Baptist?
Where do you wanna go?
I wanna go to Baptist.
You wanna go to Mercy? They got a better trauma center in there, man.
Well, whatever y'all think's best. Oh.
They're gonna cut that off.
Oh, it's my back and my shoulders, collarbone over here.
Collarbone.
Bud.
Well, please tell my dad and everybody I love him. Tell will you actually talk to my dad? Promise?
Which one's your dad?
Frankie Nunley?
Just stay still, okay?
Check your legs. It's this side of my body. Hey.
Which side?
Ow, that hurts. Something hurts. I just want to go to get x-rays.
I know. I'm gotta
They
find
got
out
that
what's
session
going
and
on.
everything first, okay?
I need something to drink.
You can't have anything to eat or drink, buddy. Cut him all the way up. He's got shorts on.
I don't have no underwear on, guys.
You've got shorts on, that's all I care.
Ew. That don't hurt. It's on the side, on my side, all this side.
Okay.
Where I just ate shit. Oh, my collarbone is broke.
Get you fixed up.
They will definitely fix that.
Oh, easy.
I'm just feeling better.
Bunch of road rash. Feeling my head is a little dizzy.
We're about to get you loaded.
I didn't see you on the thing. Well, not us, but boy.
I love you. Are you still on? Yeah. You working the wreck, Ross? Yeah. Are you gonna work the wreck?